even more nervous now. Okay, that still looks good.
Much better.
It's twitchy. Someone's yeeted a zagi out over the edge. Well, that's my first successful Nexus 900 in the air. I like it. Okay. I dialed everything up to 150%, but I'm pretty sure I don't need it on roll. Fantastic.
Nexus is going well, Colin.
I'm really happy. I'm very gentle on the sticks.
Yeah. Yeah, they do fly a bit different.
Yeah. Yeah, adding a bit of down trim. Shit, there's some lift up there. Yeah. I'm just remembering that there's a toothpick of 3mm carbon for the spar, so
2 mil.
3mm.
Oh.
I'd have thought that a wing 4mm thick would disappear against white clouds.
Get down the front. Yeah.
Oh, get off my knee. You're just going for some more kill markings, aren't you?
Did wrong aircraft, mate. Wrong aircraft.
Ah,
I don't like spread them. I like to keep on one model, you know.
are you Ukrainian or Russian? We're not sure at this point.
Yeah, either.
And who knows where Composites gets his stuff from. Oh. Where's the lift, guys? Got its whiskers hanging out. All right, when you're ready. I've got nothing.